Hey, it's only a beast here, and I just used my Crossman Powerline 880, and I destroyed a bird. Let's go find him. He was over here somewhere. Yeah, we got some snow last night, about 4 or 5 inches. I destroyed this bird. I think I had like heart shot. I destroyed it. It's just barely alive, but I don't like it suffering. But he's still alive. As you can see, he's still alive. Little sparrow. I'm sorry, little guy. See, I hit him right there. Pretty awesome. And he's screeching. He's pretty. Well, that is some good old bird hunting. He is awesome. Bye.